Welcome to the Prime Health Foundation applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you'll need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find Prime Health Foundation and click on Select Program. Our system calls them programs, but the Prime Health Foundation calls them focus areas. So find the focus area you want to apply to and just click on Start Draft App next to that name. You're now in the draft application. You can see on the left-hand side there are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently we are on the instructions page. Please scroll down and read all the instructions, and at the bottom the grant maker has loaded up a template for the program budget. You need to download this document, complete it, and attach it to the application. To download this file, just click on the file name. When you're ready to move to the next page, you can use the arrows on the right to move forward, the arrows on the left to move backward, or you can jump ahead on the tabs on the left-hand side. Anytime you've entered any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tabs to move away, your information will automatically be saved. However, if you're going to be entering a lot of information and staying on the one page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Any field with a red asterisk means it is required. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. The next page is the Organization Documents page. There are 4 documents that are required here. One of them is the operating budget from the template that you downloaded on the instructions page. To upload the document, just click on Upload next to the name. So for example, if I'm going to upload my tax determination letter, I click Upload here, click Choose File, find the file, and click Save. The next page is the agency profile. This page has some text fields. So for example, describe your organization/agency allows 900 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to extend these boxes and make them bigger. You can also write your answers in another program such as Microsoft Word and cut and paste. There's the Program Service Area and Budget, Program Abstract, Program Target Demographics, Outcomes and Timeline, Program Sustainability, and Application Agreements pages that you need to go through to complete. Once you've completed the application and all the required fields have been filled out and required documents have been submitted, it doesn't matter what page you're on, but this button, Submit Application, will be green. You can click on it, submit your application. You will receive an application number on the screen. You will also receive an email confirmation. You can also find a copy of your application under your Grants tab from the dashboard. But until you can submit your application, we have a Preview Check Application page. If you click on this page, it'll take you to a page that has a table letting you know why you're not ready for submission. So I have a big red Not Ready for Submission because clearly I did not fill out all the required fields or upload all the required documents. So the table is below. For example, on the primary contact page, my first name is empty. I can click on the page here or here to go back to it to correct it. Once it's all corrected, this will be a green ready for submission, and this button on the left hand side will also be green. You don't have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you can pause out of the application, log out in the upper right hand corner. When you log back in, you see you have a resume draft application and an exit draft application. If you click on resume draft application, you go right back into the application where you left off. If you click exit draft application, you don't lose any work that you've entered, you've just removed that you're working on the draft. If you did this by accident, just click on Start Draft Application, click on Prime Health Foundation, and go back into your focus area. As I mentioned before, once you submit your application, there'll be a copy of it under your Grants tab. The Grants tab can be found at the top. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.